Hey guys, Josh here from TrailBuilt and TrailBuilt Off-Road TV on the YouTube. Back here in front of you guys again with another TrailBuilt product review of the week video. Here today with this RBP, which is Rolling Big Power Beadlock wheel, the 50R Cobra Series. One of the obviously most noticeable things right away, right off the bat, is you're gonna have this outer beadlock ring, which does hold 28 grade 12.9 hardware bolts in here, which gives it up to 170,000 PSI tensile strength for this ring here. So another thing with these here too is that this is what's known to be a dual purpose beadlock wheel. Dual purpose meaning that it is also DOT legal and off-road use only as well. And how they do that is there is an additional bead seat here, so if you are running it on the road, the bead will actually sit in between these two beads here, or if you're running it off-road, you can lock in that bead of the outer tire as well. So you have two options there. Makes it nice so that way you can run it DOT legal, but then when you do go off-road, go ahead and lock that bead in, bolt her down, and you're ready to go. So another nice thing with the RBP wheels as well, with these beadlock wheels, is that they do have several different finishes for the beadlock ring itself. You can get it in, what you see here is this satin black type finish. You can get it in a machine finish and then also a bronze finish as well. So these wheels here come in a 17x9, 18x9, and also a 20x9 size as well. So the shipping is free to the lower 48, and you do save over $200 when you pair them with the tires as well. So a set of these 17x9s, just the wheels themselves, are going to run for $1839. RBP also has a huge line of tires and suspension kits and a whole bunch of other accessories as well. Make sure and check them out on our website, www.trailbuiltoffroad.com, all one word, and also drop some comments below. Let us know how you like the RBP beadlocks and if there's any other beadlock wheel that you guys would like to see next on a video. So that's all I have for you today. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt Off-Road, signing off. We appreciate every one of you watching today, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to it so you guys can hold on for the ride. That's all I have for you. We'll see you next time. Thanks again.